respected ma'am and my dear friends, good morning to one and all. My team name is Pearls. Today our topic is I was born in prison but education trained me. Nowadays education is very important. Education is a way that develops our talent and potential.
Good morning to one and all. My name is Krishna Babu. We are for the group. Education. I was born intelligent. Education spoiled.
How can you say education is spoiled? Without education, we can't go anywhere outside from this country.
Today's system is not correct.
How can you say? Then why you are studying?
Mostly people mark up their materials. They do not want to knowledge. They only get the marks.
You also asking now, madam, please give me questions. Then why are saying that?
I didn't ask.
No, education is important because in interview, if you go interview, they are asking minimum basic knowledge.
There are some preparation.
Without knowledge, how can you say?
Some knowledge.
Okay, for example, diamond is a stone. If you sharpen it, you will get brightness. In the same way, if the student is not sharpened, he will never get brightness.
Only through survey. Only through.
Surveys also says that only education is important.
important.
Certainly saying education is important.
Our topic is education system spoils us. Education is not important for us.
For you, education is not important.
I have educated. I want to be education. But present education system spoils us.
No education system spoils you. You think and that way that education system is spoiling you.
I will tell you one thing. In the olden days, we know very well. Our parents left us in ashramas. In that ashramas, the person who can teach us, he never starts from the starting onwards. He can teach us up to some time. He can show us how much patience is in with us. Then only he started the teaching. But nowadays we are paying the fee to the colleges, schools. Then we have a comment. We ask them, I am paying the fee.
You know that in Vizianagaram Science School, small children will go there. Even they teach very nicely. You may don't know that science school is there in Vizianagaram. Even they teach very nicely. The education system is very nice. You are just saying that in olden days. Nowadays, no sadhus are there to tell you. Now science schools came and they teach very well.
How can they teach? They can using the so many now the without technology is so much high. By now they are seeing the so many CDs, projectors.
That only with education. Only the education people will come and do that.
Why they are teaching the lesson to us by seeing some videos. We can say that oh this is like this. We cannot assume that.
Even childhood we learn so many things because education only learn.
Obviously, only visual effect make us more effective. By saying nobody can understand. By if teacher says you may think something and you may think something and you may dream dreams. If the visual effect will come on, you pay attention to that and you get more knowledge. See, system is thinking that way and you are saying that visual effect is spoiling you.
That way, while we are seeing that, we cannot think, oh, this is like this. By seeing this, oh, simply, this is like this.
You can understand more better.
But we cannot thinking logically.
All the things logically, by saying that, oh, by this way this will come. So we can put more effects to develop or to introduce more things.
Okay, will you read newspaper daily?
Yeah.
Recently 2 days before you saw the AU University news. What your comment about the topic? The question paper was sold to 20,000. What is the need for to be sold for 20,000 for that paper?
All the students
involved in this process. Some students who are not interested to study are interested in these cases.
Okay, tell the students, because that means many of the people, students are there in that situation. If they can prepare, what will be the need to be by that paper?
That is based on their own interest. Who are not interested in studies, they are encouraged that process and they involved in that.
Okay, the education is very good. They can learn. No? You are telling that today's education is very good. They can learn from this latest education. No?
That is about their wish. How can I know?
All will be in a different thought. You are telling that all will be in a different attitude. Then they can learn in what the education. What we done?
Come on. You tell what your opinion. I'm not understanding.
Education is very good, today's education. But they can learn that education, what is the need to be copying and this type of markets.
Education system not encourages to copy. That's your attitude to copy those things. Education system just give the way to how to do this thing. But you're choosing that way to copy.
That attitude is what and the education is not good only. Okay?
Education system is in that way. Education system only shows the way how to you behave and how to you perform. You only choose the correct way to perform.
Okay, in that you told that points. In that only it involves we can write without seeing and without copying in the examinations.
Up to their wish. How can I know? You please read the topic.
What? Can't understand.
They involved in that malpractice. How can I know? We are talking about the education system, about not the topic.
Education only, no? It comes under the education also, no? That,
all the students are not interested, no? Only some students.
I'm talking that some students only.
Present is they can malpracticing are so much. The present education system is not good. In the teachers cannot explain the lessons very clearly. That's when they are also telling some of the important questions or come from this lesson in the examinations. So the students who are not interested in studies, they can prepare a slip for the examination.
Learning through education is not only in college. We have also some other ways in libraries, in reading books. So in college, lecturers are not explain all the topics. In some, they just give guidance too.
While they are giving the guidance, but they are having some mistakes while teaching the lessons. They are missing some of the points and they can highlight some of the points which are important. For that points only we can pick up. Nowadays we want marks. When we went out, they asked me how many marks you get. But no one asked you how much of knowledge you have.
You want more knowledge, you can acquire. Teacher don't stop you. You want to gain more knowledge, you can gain through the internet and you can gain through the libraries. But teacher doesn't stick to these points only. Teacher always says to elaborate your knowledge through using the present resources.
You're saying that marks is not criteria, but when you meet a new person, a person asks you how are you, how you are studying, then the person asks you how much knowledge you get or you get how many marks.
Now how many marks you get?
For interviews also marks are necessary, no?
See, in the present, in the colleges we have, they want.
Now I'll ask you 2 points you have discussed till now. See, first one you are saying that you are continuing education, right? So you have read, you are reading many topics, many concepts, everything, from where they have come. Are they being taught by anyone for them? they use their brain and they were born intelligent, so they have invented something and made you read now.
We are born some with potential and through education system. From you born from childhood, you know only through education about surroundings, about yourself, about family, about
So
etc.
education can't you know?
Now how can you know?
You are born, right? You are born with some brain.
Yeah.
And you are born, so you can know. Who said education teaches you this is tree? Education teaches you? There is your mom also to say that.
It does not say it is tree, but it tells about tree. What is tree that way?
You can't know by your own. See, we talked about now there is an education system, we are reading and we go to 1900s. Then, but see, most of the inventions were done in 18th century, 19th century, not now. We see for many decades you will get some one invention who that's why they are not doing from these education systems.
They also become famous.
These education systems are just for not for anything in the future.
They also became famous without some basic education. All the persons without their own brain, they cannot.
Famous and inventing something is different, totally different. You can become famous through negative ways also.
You saw this newspaper, one girl invented in 20-second battery recharge.
Through education system?
One girl introduced in 20 seconds battery recharge. Now
You
he said,
invented 20 seconds, okay, I will invent 1 second through education system. No, you.
of course she's from
You can't do that. At what age you need that?
She is 21 years old. As you see, as this seen on the paper, a girl introduced in 20 seconds battery recharge.
See, 8-year boy invented a Microsoft application. Does it require this education system? No, he is his brain. And then he got invention. Inventions are done only with the internet, not through education system.
Only the education system taken. I said it before also. Diamond is a stone. By sharpening that, you will get brightness.
Can't be sharp without diamond. See, you said
Yes, of course.
you are mentioning diamond. See, diamond is a stone. You have to sharp it. Can't you sharp? See, you have for that you have to go to an education system and then you know how to sharp. You can't do that by your own.
How can I know everything? Only teachers will support us. They'll sharpen me and I'll get a better knowledge. By getting guidelines from
You are
that,
born intelligent or not intelligent?
I was born intelligent. But I was not intelligent. I was born intelligent, but education system made me more intelligent. And think of what is that.
So,
Right
okay.
and wrong.
Well, in your view, the education system has made you more intelligent. What have you proven till now? You are studying with me, same, right?
Yeah.
What is the difference with me? If your education system, show me one your age. Okay, leave about it. We'll take another point what you discussed before. You said about some malpractices, right?
I think Pratisha said that.
What is
Malpractice.
right?
Pratisha is your team. Pratisha said malpractice.
Okay, you are discussed. Fine. What you said about that? If she says something, what you have given the answer?
What malnutrition? No education system. No education. Oh, sorry, malpractice. No education system will try you to say malpractices. You're just.
Okay, you're not doing that, right?
He said malpractice does not depend on the present education system. It is present on the student's attitude. How can
But
you?
there is an education system, right?
How can you
There
say
is
education system is the reason for the attitude?
See, there is an education system. When you say you support my dog and your dog, why am I here now? See, you are supporting both sides.
No.
How can you say that?
Your side. Yes, sir. Again, you are asking how can I say that?
That I am saying education system does not encourage the students. It depends on the
What is the system
attitude.
you are now? They are not doing.
What?
They are doing right. Malpractice is going on still. They are doing malpractice even in national exams.
No, it does
What is
not.
about India's education system now?
See, we are university conducting the examination, online examinations. While they are conducting that examinations, they can dump bits are available in the websites. For which purpose they can put that in bits in the
For
online
model.
for model. But why those questions only come in our examinations? Recently our friend also, Anand also said that simply we can download that bits and read it, mug up it, and that bits only come in that exam.
So for all exams not coming, you know about in first semester does not come as actual big one in the second
In the past, same
week.
question paper only comes in our JNTU. Same question paper.
For all exams it is not coming. Do you observe? For mid one it came, for mid two it is not came. For mid one students we are starting further they put that questions.
In the prevent that question